have been designing ad creatives for more than 3 years, and I just wanted to share a few tips which I learned while designing ads. I'll show you in live by using this ad creative. Honestly, these tips really helped me in my design process in recent days. I wish I would have learned it in my early days, but that's alright. Now if you guys are designing ads or maybe working on an ad campaign, these tips definitely will help you in your design process. Stick around till the end, let's dive in. Number 1, choose a key element to use in all your creatives. So when I say key element, it can be anything like a tagline, a secondary logo, or maybe a name of a certain campaign. So in my reference design, I have used a small tagline, "We are wholesome." I have played with the typography and made it to look little poppy and attractive. I've grouped it and I can just copy and paste it in all other creatives which I'm gonna design just to maintain consistency. Number 2 is most important, use relevant images. Images are the primary key visual in your ad campaign. Keeping all the images similar will give more impact on your customers and the audience who are looking at it. As a designers, we have to make sure the images are looking similar. It can be a similar costume to all the models in the images, or maybe a colored tone of the image could be same. If you have your own photography images, then that's alright. But if not, make sure all the images are relevant. Finally, number 3, placements of the text, logo, and any other design element. So when it comes to the placements, we have to follow the guides because it will help us to place the element in the same exact place for all the creatives. So when we want to change the model images, we can change it, but all the content and everything stays in the same place. That can maintain consistency for certain campaigns. And that's pretty much it. If you follow all these tips, it will definitely help you in adapting the designs. If you're sending for a print design or maybe a digital versions of different sizes, this will definitely help you. The main purpose of ad campaign would be giving an impact on audience and keeping all the creatives relevant. So whenever a person looks at a design, they should realize this is from a particular ad campaign. That's all for this video. I hope this video is informative. If yes, please do like and subscribe so that we can stay connected. See you all in another graphic designing informative video.